Hey everyone, Shoenice again. Well, basically, I'll be 7 weeks sober this Tuesday. Either way, now that I'm a streamer on TikTok, everybody's coming in and going, wow, we thought you were dead. And the #1 request was for me to come back on YouTube after a 1.5 year break to start eating crazy stuff again. I said, why not? Either way, you've seen Mr. Beast, right? Couple other people, maybe Furious Pete, they've eaten a $10,000 14-karat gold steak. Well, this is the way we do 20-karat gold steaks, the Shoenice way. I picked a T-bone. I like my T-bones rare. You can't have a gold steak without 3 gold candles. What I've done, guys, is I ordered these 14-karat and 20-karat. They're just gold flakes inside glue. You know what I mean? They call it gold glue. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the gold flakes to the steak, and that's what's going to make its value. All right? Yeah, it's sparkle glue. All right, we're going to get it on there really good. Now that's just the base for the 20-karat. The 20-karat is like the stuff that, it really shines up there. That's some good sparkle gold glue. All right, here's the 20-karat. Obviously, that's going to be a little more, shiny. Let's get it all on there, guys, or it's not a 20-karat gold raw steak. All right. Now, we light the 3 candles. You know what I mean? Make sure everybody's clear in the studio. Oh, that one don't want to light. It must be one of the magic candles. Either way, Mr. Beast, eat your bank account out. On your mark, game page, get set, Marge Simpson face. We're back. Shoenice. Does anybody else separate the fat from the steak? Eat it by itself. It definitely tastes like a steak that's out of this world. You know what I mean? The gold flakes and the glue. It's like going to the craft store and Outback Steakhouse all on the same day. I like to turn these around and get them all, It's almost like tenderizing the steak, the candle. Oh yeah, that's good right there. That's some good candles right there. These are gold flake candles too. So this is actually like a $25,000 cake. Tell you what. I apologize. You know what I mean? Gotta watch out for the candle strings. They'll get you every time. We're back. Ma'am, can I get some more water? Oh, I said rare. This is kind of overcooked. Appreciate it. Just let the chef know. You always look down at your camera when you watch the time and you think it stopped. And you're going to be like, oh man, nobody's going to believe this. I'll show it. More steak. Oh man. They don't make glue like they used to. Is that the 14 karat? That's a good T-bone right there. You know what's a good T-bone? Because it looks like a T-bone. You know what I mean? It's like in the shape of a T. Alright guys, so yeah. Glitter glue, couple candles, some raw steak. I know I'm starting out slow, but we're back. I'm doing one video. It's uploaded every Sunday. And I'm never deleting another video again. Either way. Almost looks like salmon fish. I can't look at myself eating. I'll cut this up, cook it up in the microwave, and have some tacos later. Either way, guys, I just ate a raw T-bone steak covered in glitter glue with 3 bronze candles. If you think you can beat it, be my guest. Thank you.